Yep, he right there.
What you here for? What you here for?
Right here.
Hey, you want to bet some more, Batman?
I got to put this $500 up for this little belt they got playing with over here. That's what I got. I heard.
Where Tony here? Where Tony here? Tony here?
That they might have made a new rule because of me. That's what I heard. I had to put money down to get this little belt.
You know it's that.
Because the king says that's my fucking belt.
I see one of them answer the call out.
They're gonna want what you mean right there.
Right there.
Say it.
Satch, you know what I'm here for? I gotta put this money down for this belt. You're in this committee to get this belt?
Yeah.
So we stand together.
Yeah, we gotta wait till they pass it in.
Yeah, so we stand right next to each other. When the win light come on,
Yeah, but what if Kirk wins? You ain't gonna be scared of Kirk?
I don't give a fuck who wins.
We locked in.
I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna put my money out right here. You're gonna be my best friend. When that win light come on, me and you gonna be celebrating depending on who wins. We don't give a fuck who wins.
Oh,
We gonna be celebrating.
Randy!
That belt mine.
You gotta get that belt back to hold them pants up. You gotta get that. All right. You got the whole group. Yeah. I don't know where that. You got the whole crew with you. I got my man right there.
Oh, Buddy James.
Yeah. I ain't seen my man in a while. Got the whole crew.
What's going on, Tom?
What's up, man? Got the whole crew up in there. He's gonna say his foot hurt. You got to get in there.
His ass gonna hurt. He ain't gotta get in there.
I guess you ain't want to keep it long enough. You want to hold it on. You didn't want to enjoy it a little longer or what?
My stomach from it. I don't know.
It's tight.
It's not as fun as they say it is. After a couple of nights of sleeping with it,
Yeah.
it starts to leave marks on your stomach, your back, and you wake up all sore.
It's overrated, huh?
I'll let him maybe.
But you're bringing action. You're bringing action, though.
We'll see.
We got rotation down here.
That's why the belt's here.
That's right. Yep. It's doing it.
around.
It's doing it.
We make it move, yeah.
Here we go.
Watch out, mother. I want to get a good seat. Watch out.
Gonna run for the belt.
I'm trying to play that defense now.
I'm ready. They're almost ready. I saw getting you guys ready.
Hold on, man. One more. We don't want to break it.
Kurt.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Yes, sir.
Y'all ready?
How we do it?
I know.
Yes, sir.
I know how we do it.
Got the whole crew in the building. They going. We got.
You know Melvin?
Yeah, with Melvin. Oh Lord. That got my boy Superman replacing Melvin.
Who that?
Superman.
Oh, Billy?
Yeah. We ain't got Melvin here, so. Kurt, you ready?
I ain't driving.
But listen, man, they running for the belt tonight. Kong in the outside lane. Cold Blue coming up. Shout out to Jay Barnes, Grudge Inc. The Florida belt. It's going down. Cold Blue right here. Kong over here in the outside lane. bulb on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Calm for the win. Road got loose. Had to get out of it. Kong for the win. He got the belt back again. And putting Kong away. Putting Kong away. So y'all let someone hold. Y'all let somebody hold the belt.
Got it right back.
God, yeah. Kurt, you done took it back, huh? Good Lord,
I
mercy.
couldn't let her down twice, Chuck. I couldn't let her down.
Oh, she happy. She happy. There you go. Kong got the belt. Who wants you now?
I got to put this $500 up for this little belt they got playing with over here. That's what I got.
This.
They say David Green put the money up.
What's on here?
Grapevine.
It's on here.
That they might have made a new rule because of me. That's what I heard.
Me and him already locked in for Bradenton on the 26th of March. So if he put that money up, we're gonna do it on March 26th in Bradenton.
All right. That battle in the bay.
Down in the bank.
All right, battle in the bay, yo. Taking it there. Gotta get Raul Torres. Nope, it's all good, man. We racing. That's right, we racing. Everybody good. It's just action in front. Thank you for the action. All right, buddy. Thank you for the action.
Hey, you got that video, right?
Yeah,
All right.
I got it. Thanks for the action, Raul. You good for the game. That's all I got to say.
My pleasure, brother. My pleasure.
Yep.
We're down, but we ain't out.
That's right. It ain't out. It ain't over either.
Appreciate
It ain't over.
We making move, yeah.